Hello students, today we are going to discuss female reproductive system of a plant. So let's start with female reproductive system. Female reproductive system of a flower is called gynoecium or pistil. Individual member of gynoecium is called carpel or megasporophyll. A flower with many free carpels is called an apocarpus, or combine or fuse carpels, then it is called syncarpus. So this carpel has three parts: ovary, style and stigma. The number of ovules in the ovary varies. Either it is having single ovary or multiple ovaries. The example of single ovary is paddy, wheat, mango, uniovulate, called as uniovulate. Ovary means what? बी किती आहेत, बिया किती आहेत. पॅडी तांदूळ, तांदळाचा एकच एक अखंड दाणा असतो, गव्हाचा एक अखंड दाणा असतो, आंब्यात एकच कोय असते. ते कोय म्हणजे काय आहे, त्याचं ओव्हरी आहे. सो दीज fruits or these plants are called uniovulate, whereas tomato, lady's finger are multiovulate. एका भेंडीत किंवा एका टोमॅटोत बऱ्याच बिया असतात की नाही, त्याला काय म्हणायचं? मल्टीओव्ह्युलेट. नाउ धिस इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एनाट्रोपस ओव्ह्यूल. Each ovule develops inside the ovary and is attached to the placenta by a small stalk called funicle. बी म्हणजे काय आहे? ओव्हरी. आता त्या बीच्या आत काय असतं ते बघायचं आहे आपल्याला. बीच्या आतलं स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एनाट्रोपस ओव्ह्यूल. सो each ovule develops inside the ovary and attached to placenta by a small stalk. This is placenta and this is small stalk called funicle. The place of attachment of funicle with main body of ovule is called hilum. This is called hilum. This is main body and connection between funicle and main body is called hilum. In angiosperms, the most common type of ovule is anatropous, in which micropyle is directed downwards and is present adjacent to funicle. This is micropyle and position is downward direction, which is opposite to chalaza. Okay. The ovule consists of central parenchymatous tissues, the nucellus. This is central parenchymatous tissue, nucellus, which is surrounded by usually two protective coverings called integument. Two protective layers called integument, outer integument, inner integument. A narrow opening at the apex of the ovule. This is called micropyle. Chalada is a base of ovule directly opposite to micropyle. Embryo sac, or also known as female gametopyle, is ovule multicellular structure embedded in the nucellus. So we are discussing anatropous ovule. Connection between placenta and small stalk, placenta and ovary, is called funicle. Connection between funicle and main body is called hilum. Nucellus is covered by two protective layers, outer integument, inner integument. Small opening which is facing downward is called micropyle, and opposite to micropyle which is present, chalasa. Okay, this is all about structure of anatropous ovule. So keep studying and keep watching. Thank you.